Hello guys, this is AC. So we'll be doing a Makima Evo showcase. So we just got her in the new update. So yes, so let's go. Let's go evolve Makima first and let's do a showcase, you know? So we need to craft her material first. So you need chains of control, you need 2 divine stone, 5 fire stone, 4 earth stone, 150 token of chains, 5 Fear Stone, 4 Water Stone, and 15 Air Stone. You also need 5,000 takedowns for Makima and also 50,000 gold. So let's craft this one. Confirm. Let's go. Oh my god. Di pa pala. Sorry. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Is it good? Is it good? Okay. God damn. Let's go. Bang. Ooh. Maki Authority. Let's go guys. Hello guys, this is AC. So we will be doing a Makima full showcase. Maki Authority full Evo. Okay, we'll be doing a full Makima showcase. Let's review her. Okay, let's start. So let's place our Makima down. So yeah, let's equip our first. So you can't really know her damage is, but because of her passive. So her first passive is Contract of Fear. Maki gains plus 1.5% damage and minus 0.5% cooldown for every enemy inside their range. So up to 30% damage and minus 10% cooldown. So I think based on this passive, Makima is really good in infinite leaderboards. If you're trying to get to leaderboards infinite, then Makima is a really good unit for doing so. Also, her second passive is called Chains of Heaven. Whenever Maki kills an enemy, she has a 5% chance to store the enemy's soul. Each soul grants her 3% damage and 2% range. After she stores 5 souls, her next attack deals plus 231% damage. After the attack, her soul resets back to 0. So, yeah. So that's how you do. So let's review her skills. Okay, let's go. So her next skill is called Bang. So it's a line AoE. So let's see. It's a line AoE, guys. Okay. So that's her effects. Let's see more. What the hell? Okay. Oh, okay. I think we should, go for another more. Okay. So you can see it better. Okay. So, oh my god. The next one is called Force Domination. It's a circle AoE. So, let's see. Okay, I didn't see that. Oh. So that's it. Oh. Okay. She's doing 49. Let's see the passive. Let's see the Chains of Heaven passive, guys. It's 52k, turn into 58. 53k. Let's wait for her next passive, guys. Hold on. 51k. 53k, 52k. 54, 55. Okay, let's wait. Where's the passive? Okay. I think it's not going to show us the passive one. Let's wait. Now she's doing 60k because of the enemies. Okay. I think Chains of Heaven is not working. Oh, there! She's doing 200k on the passive. So that's the passive Chains of Heaven. So plus 231% damage after she stores 5 soul. And that's only one attack, guys. It's only one attack. So she's really good for me. For me, she's really good. And you can also, she's also 3 placement, guys. Okay, let's max everything out. Force domination and absolute control. That's the passive, guys. I think that's the passive, right? Absolute control. Chains of Heaven. You only do the second passive if she is maxed out. So it's really good to max her out first because of the second passive. She only has 2 passives, so that's kind of a bummer. But yeah, that's her skill. Just doing 200k, and I think Makima is pretty good, and also pretty convenient in Infinite. If you wanna do leaderboards Infinite, then I think Makima is a good choice for me because her damage is scaling in enemies, so that's her passive. If you wanna max out the 30% damage, additional 30% damage, and minus 10% cooldown, and then I guess you'll only be able to see it in Infinite, guys. So yes, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Happy grinding.